Today, we're excited to showcase a custom-made women's topper, crafted for salon professionals prioritizing durability and client comfort. First of all, for our custom orders, you can change the base color to match your client's skin. For this one, the base color requires to match the hair color, looks more harmonious. Secondly, color customization is seamless. This shade is a custom blended fusion of two tones, 60% number 4 mixed evenly with 40% number 30, chosen from our women hair color ring. Thirdly, by adjusting hair density in different areas, you can create the ideal volume effect your clients envision. Lastly, this design boasts a hybrid construction, a lightweight PN line 4mm by 4mm integration base, combined with a reinforced PU perimeter for ultimate breathability and scalp comfort. Custom orders like this empower you to innovate. Every detail, from base design to tonal accuracy, is tailored to elevate client satisfaction and loyalty. Contact us today to craft solutions as unique as your clients.